Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in electric transportation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Hulk electric scooter, the ultimate urban commuting machine. In this video, we'll dive into all the amazing features of the Hulk that make it the best choice for anyone looking for a fast, reliable, and convenient way to get around the city. So, let's get started. The Hulk is a powerful and stylish electric scooter that's designed to make your daily commute a breeze. With its 12-inch wide tires, you'll enjoy a smooth and stable ride on any terrain. The LED headlights and LCD display make it easy to see and be seen, while the rearview mirror ensures you're always aware of your surroundings. Plus, the Hulk's lithium battery can support up to 55A, and its powerful 3000W motor can reach a top speed of 80 km per hour. Another amazing feature of the Hulk is its removable battery. This means you can easily take the battery out of the scooter and charge it wherever you need to, without having to bring the whole scooter with you. This is especially convenient if you live in an apartment building or don't have access to a charging station near your parking spot. One of the best things about the Hulk is that it's completely customizable to suit your style. As a factory, we offer a wide range of color options for you to choose from, so you can find the perfect look to match your personality. Whether you want a classic black or white scooter, or something more bold like bright green or pink, we've got you covered. For individual buyers, we offer a door-to-door shipping service, so you can get your Hulk delivered right to your doorstep. This makes the buying process easy and hassle-free, so you can start enjoying your new scooter right away. For dealers, we offer exclusive dealership opportunities and the best prices to support your business. We welcome you to contact us for more information on how we can work together to bring the Hulk to your market. Thanks for watching this video on the Hulk electric scooter. We hope you've learned everything you need to know about this amazing machine and how it can transform your daily commute. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome electric transportation content. And as always, ride safe.